Hi. Today, we shall be talking about the P0010 trouble code and how to fix it. This code signifies an issue with the intake camshaft position actuator circuit, bank 1, which means the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an electrical problem or stuck VVT solenoid. This fault is often due to low or dirty oil, bad wiring, a faulty VVT solenoid, or even a faulty PCM, leading to symptoms like check engine light, poor performance, or rattling noises. Common causes: 1. Low or dirty engine oil. 2. Faulty VVT solenoid. 3. Wiring or connector issues. 4. Stuck actuator, camshaft gear. 5. PCM malfunction. How to fix: 1. Inspect and replace worn out or dirty engine oil. 2. Inspect VVT solenoid and replace if broken. 3. Carefully check wiring and connectors. 4. Inspect and replace camshaft if broken or stuck. 5. Check PCM for errors, software issues, or replace if necessary. Bonus fact: make sure to inspect your timing belt or chain and replace if necessary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.